Right, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a 2-prong European plug for a UK plug. First of all, quite simple, you just need to cut through like so, and then just get the camera sorted. And once you've done that, take your knife and gently split it down the middle. Once you've got it split a certain amount, you better peel it back then, like so. That's it. As you can see, you've got a brown and a blue. I'll show you which way these go round. But yeah, I'll just pull it back like so. You need probably 3 or 4 centimetres. That should be enough. And simply neaten it up a little bit. And then all you do is go gently round each wire. Like so, quite simple. This should save a few pounds, and just twist each end to get the other one done. Just like so. Then we open the plug up. As you can see, that's both of them done there. Quite simple. We just open this plug up that we're going to be using. First of all, take these two. These are what keep it in place. And under these 2 screws, like so. And the main one. Nearly done. As you can see, this one's got a green and yellow wire. You're not going to be using that because there's only 2 wires in this, and they're twin ones, so you don't need that one. Blue always goes to the left, the brown always goes to the right where the fuse is. So we'll take the old wires out, like so. And just pull it out like so. Right, just under these a little bit more. Right, number blue to the left, brown to the right. So that's, this one goes in here. This should save you a couple of pounds. The adapters can be up to like £3.99, so by doing this, I'll save you all plugs, save a fair few quid. And get out there. Yeah, that's it. I'll be twisting it so you're not catching any wires, so they'll go through. If you want to twist in there, come on. That's it. That was in there. Screw it down now. Make sure it's nice and tight. You don't want it slipping. Come on. So, and then this one. It's in there. Screw it down. Pull it back so it fits. Like so. Fuse in. Let's tighten them both up. So that's blue to the left, brown to the right. Then all you do is turn it over and tighten these up. These stop them pulling out. Grip onto the white. Nearly done. A few more turns. That's it, that's nice and done. Top on. That's it. That's replacing an EU 2-prong plug for the UK 3-prong plug. Easy as that. That'll save you a few pounds. So that's replacing that for that. That's all lined up and that will all work perfectly now. If you've got any questions or anything to ask, if you like my channel, please subscribe. And thank you for watching. Thank you, bye.